Hello, thank you for coming to this channel. Today we're gonna shoot the Rossi 22 LR long rifle. We're gonna try 50-yard tests. I haven't ever cleaned this barrel, so we're gonna try without the barrel cleaned, and we'll clean the barrel and then do another 10 shots. So let's try that. Now let's clean the barrel. Here's a fishing line that's a foot longer than the barrel, and one end is looped, and then I got a piece of string on the other end, and then I get a vacuum on the end. Once you get the line through with the vacuum, and you got the loop on this end, get some patches, put it on the string, pull from this end. And here it goes. Here's what came out. Here's the third patch that went through. It looks pretty clean. So we're gonna go with that. Do another 5-shot group, 50 yards. Here's the first 5-shot group, and that was with a barrel that's never been cleaned. Here's one of my favorite gadgets. It's a Crossman ammo holder on your belt. So let's load some ammo into our magazine. The wind has picked up a bit, so let's see what we can do here. And that's 5. Let's go see downrange what we did. So there's our results. We had one major flyer. That was the first shot. I had no idea what happened there. Yeah, that was weird. But look at that. There's the last 4 shots. They're definitely better than those ones. Cleaning the barrel definitely tightened our group. The first bullet must have just toned down the barrel after the cleaning, and then we got these 4 shots that look pretty consistent compared to this. It's pretty open. There's nothing that's like really telling you where everything's going. Oh, we got 2 there, 2 there. I like that a lot better. So cleaning the barrel definitely does something. I'm gonna do one more shot just to see if we can get a 5th shot in this group. Here we go with that 6th shot. We're gonna cancel out that first shot, so see what we can do on this last shot. Yeah, that's a lot more acceptable. So it's a little disappointing that it veered off there, but a lot better group than the first grouping, if you don't count the first shot, which must be because I cleaned it and it was resetting the barrel or something like that.